Hey guys, I'm going to be posting what do you call it? A slime video, like on this video, but I just had to grab a remote. Come on guys. Mom, is this one it?
Severe stomach pain and or diarrhea, and tears in the stomach or
Kimber's
intestine.
room.
Tell your doctor about any side.
Again. Okay, so I went to Indiana this past weekend, and then I left myself slime sitting in a container. You know what? I just dropped the slime. Ugh. Okay, sorry guys. So, here's the container. Need to move it so I can stand. Here it is. Okay, so we got a lot of these so let's see this one. Oh, I forgot about this one. See? This one has a lot of glitters. So let me just undo it. Here. I will make a donut. Does it stick to this? Okay, we're good. Alright. So I just donut. You can say hold on. Well, then we just spread this out. Can you see it? Yeah, there's a bunch of glitters. So, yeah, this is a slime that I'm in the middle of making. Anyways, peace out, Butterscotch.